Hey guys, thanks for joining me again. In this video, we're going to be discussing Apache 2, but we're more going to focus on Apache 2, PHP, and MySQL. So we are, in essence, going to configure and set up a LAMP stack through this video and the next video. This video is going to be more of a beginner's point to actually install everything necessary and get a basic configuration set up. And in the next video, we're going to be going through more advanced configurations that you might want to do. So pull up Terminal and install the necessary packages. So sudo apt-get install Apache 2, PHP 5, MySQL server, PHP 5 common, and that should do it for now. So hit yes. It is going to download about 40 megabytes of data, so this may take a little bit of time depending on your connection. So Apache is the server that runs quite a bit of the internet, and it basically allows you to host websites and stuff. So if I were working with my server through SSH or something, I would be doing this to install Apache and whatnot on it to be able to get it to actually serve web pages and content. So that's why you would use Apache. Now you might just be playing around, with creating websites, and you find you need to. I found actually recently that you can't use less.js. Without going through the server and the domain and stuff. If you just load it up, if you create a basic HTML file that uses less and the less.js file, you can't just open it at like file : / and then the file path. You're actually going to have to set up Apache and serve it as a web page on localhost. So with MySQL, which is another SQL server, that this is more commonly used with PHP, and it's for good reason. I mean, it's good. It's just not my preference. I really like MongoDB, and MySQL is more compatible with PHP from what I understand. And so you might use this if you are hosting a WordPress blog, or if you're doing PHP MySQL development, or if you're maintaining something. So the MySQL service needs a root password. So the username is root, and the password is going to be whatever you set it to. So I'm going to set it to this. You're going to have to retype it. And I think that's the only user interaction that this is going to require. Should just return me to the prompt in a moment, and then we'll get to how to start Apache and PHP and whatnot.